Welcome back. It's 2024, a year full of new opportunities. Whether you're looking for extra income or building a new career, here are the top ways to make money this year. In this video, we're diving deep into proven strategies and exciting new opportunities. So, grab your notebooks, because we're about to break it all down. Welcome to 2024, where the ways to make money are evolving faster than ever. First up, freelancing. It's a path many are taking to achieve financial freedom and flexibility in their careers. The demand for skilled freelancers has exploded in recent years, driven by the rise of the gig economy and the increasing need for specialized skills. Companies are always looking for ways to cut costs and be more efficient, and hiring freelancers for specific projects is a great way to do that. This allows businesses to access top talent without the overhead costs associated with full-time employees. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there are clients out there looking for your expertise. The variety of freelance opportunities is vast, catering to almost every skill set imaginable. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are giant marketplaces where you can create a profile, showcase your skills, and connect with potential clients. These platforms provide a space for freelancers to find work, build their reputation, and grow their business. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. Many successful freelancers began with just a basic understanding of their field and learned as they went along. It's all about building a strong portfolio and delivering high-quality work. Your portfolio is your resume. It showcases your best work and demonstrates your capabilities to potential clients. Remember, freelancing is about building relationships and trust with your clients. Good communication and reliability are key to maintaining long-term client relationships. Communicate clearly, meet deadlines, and always exceed expectations. By doing so, you'll not only satisfy your clients, but also build a strong reputation that will help you secure more work in the future. Let's talk about building long-term wealth through investing. Trading apps like Robinhood, Webull, and M1 Finance make investing accessible. Start small and increase investments as you gain confidence. Diversify your portfolio across stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Index funds or ETFs are great for beginners to spread risk. Do your due diligence before investing in individual stocks. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Next up, let's dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Understanding the basics of crypto and blockchain can open up a world of opportunities. These technologies are revolutionizing the way we think about money, transactions, and even the internet itself. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, making it secure and transparent. This means that no single entity has control, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. This decentralization is one of the key features that make cryptocurrencies so appealing. The crypto market can be volatile, with prices swinging dramatically in short periods. However, the potential for growth and innovation is undeniable, attracting investors and tech enthusiasts alike. You can make money with crypto by buying and holding, staking, or exploring DeFi, decentralized finance. Staking involves locking up your crypto assets to support the network and earn rewards. DeFi offers traditional financial services like lending and borrowing without intermediaries. This can lead to lower costs and increased accessibility for users around the world. And let's not forget about NFTs, unique digital assets representing ownership of things like art and virtual real estate. NFTs are creating new ways for artists and creators to monetize their work and engage with their audience. Smart contracts, another innovation of blockchain, are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They automatically enforce and execute agreements, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. The global reach of blockchain technology is expanding, with applications in supply chain management, healthcare, voting systems, and more. Its potential to transform various industries is immense. As we move forward, the integration of cryptocurrency and blockchain into our daily lives will continue to grow, offering new possibilities and challenges. Embracing these technologies could lead to a more transparent, efficient, and inclusive future. Are you passionate about something? In 2024, your passion can become a lucrative income stream through content creation. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch offer unprecedented opportunities to build massive audiences and generate income. Find your niche, your unique voice, and consistently deliver high-quality content that your audience will love. Experiment with different content formats and create engaging, informative, and entertaining content that resonates with your target audience. The traditional 9-to-5 workday is becoming increasingly outdated. People crave flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere. The gig economy has exploded with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Uber. It offers flexibility and the chance to set your own hours. You can choose projects that align with your skills. All you need is a solid work ethic and the drive to succeed. Now let's talk about AI and automation. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are transforming the way we work and live. AI is poised to revolutionize the job market, presenting incredible new opportunities. From automating mundane tasks to providing insights that were previously unimaginable, AI is reshaping industries. In 2024 and beyond, those who embrace AI and learn how to leverage its power will have a significant advantage. This means not just understanding how to use AI tools, but also knowing how to integrate them into your workflow effectively. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you automate tasks, generate creative content, analyze data, and even write code. Imagine the time saved and the creative potential unlocked when routine tasks are handled by AI. Instead of fearing AI, embrace it. See it as a partner that can enhance your capabilities and open up new avenues for innovation and productivity. Learn how to use AI tools to enhance your skills and create new opportunities. Continuous learning and adaptation are key. Online courses, workshops, and hands-on practice can help you stay ahead. The future belongs to those who are adaptable, willing to learn new skills, and can leverage the power of technology. Embrace the change, invest in your growth, and be a part of the exciting future of work. So there you have it, the top ways to make money in 2024. Whether you're freelancing, investing, riding the crypto wave, creating content, embracing the gig economy, or leveraging AI, there's an opportunity out there for you. The key to success is to be adaptable, never stop learning, and always look for new and innovative ways to create value and generate income.